Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking to you about daily routine. At first I get up early in the morning. After this I getting on the bed, I put on the slippers. After this I put the paste on the brush. After this I go to bathroom for getting fresh. After this I close the door and I bolting the door. After this I I sprinkling water on the plants. After this I applying soap on my face. After this I splashing water on my eyes. After getting fresh I come back to room and I get ready for the coaching. After this Thereafter I took out the cycle from my hostel. After this got on the cycle and I rode to the coaching. After some times I got off the cycles and I parked the cycle in front of the coaching and I locked the cycles. Then I entered the classroom and I sometime waiting for the teacher. After this I sat on the bench. When I teacher came to the classroom, then I greeted to the sir. After this class over, then I unlocked the cycles and I got on the cycle and I rode to my room. After this I prepared tea and I took tea. After this I had food and I cooked food and I had food. After this I started to study for 2 hours. Thereafter I slept for some hour. After sleeping I splashing water on my eyes and I get ready for the playing cricket. After playing cricket I came back to room and started to study for 2 hours. After this I prepared tea. I took tea. After this I go to roof, the first floor. I go to first floor for taking some exercise. After this I came back to room and I started to study for 3 hours. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and comment.